Now, let me give a slightly different question. The question is that I'm not going to put any constraint on the same one as earlier. So there are 5 red, 5 blue and 5 green balls. But there is no constraint that you have to pick at least one among them. One among each of them. So you have to pick 5 balls from these given 15 balls. So in how many ways can we do that? Well, do you see that here we can have 5 0 0 as a valid possibility, 5 blue, 0 red and 0 green, or 0 blue, 5 red and 5 green. This is also valid. Or 0 blue, 0 red and 5 green. Now, 4 1 0 is also valid. 4 blue, 1 red and 0 green. Because there is no constraint that I have to pick at least one of each ball. So this is also valid. So the next valid possibility will be 4 0 1, and then we have 0 4 1, 0 1 4 and so on. Now, please note that you can also include, or you should also include, the possibilities which we had seen earlier along with these extra possibilities. Now, the nice or the challenging step would come here when we have to write the polynomial. Well, what would the polynomial be? Since there is no constraint, the polynomial starts with x to the 0. Unlike the previous one where we started with x plus x square, the first term was x because we needed at least one ball. So here the polynomial starts with x to the 0. So for blue balls, the polynomial would be x to the 0 plus x square plus x to the 4 plus x to the 5. What does this mean? I can either pick 0 balls or 1 ball or 2 balls or 3 balls or 4 balls or 5 balls. Now, the same holds true for green and red as well. So, now, a task for you would be to expand these 3 polynomials. That is, 1 plus x square plus x cube plus x to the 4 plus x to the 5. You have to multiply this 3 times. So 1 plus x square plus x to the 4, x cube plus x to the 4 plus x to the 5 whole cube. You have to expand this and check the coefficient of x to the 5 in the expansion, right? Now, the coefficient of x to the 5 will give you the answer for the number of ways in which you can pick 5 balls without any constraint. This is in the same lines as the previous question. I'm not going to expand that as it would take a lot of time. It is left as an exercise for you people to solve, but I'm going to give the last answer. The final answer or the coefficient of x to the 5 is 21 in the product of these polynomials. Which means there are 21 ways in which you can pick 5 balls from the given 5 blue, 5 red and 5 green balls.